Yo, just look in front of me right now. Holy moly. Look behind me. Behind me, there's so many people too. God damn. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lodge, AK Mower, bro. I can't even say my name, I'm too excited. It's your boy MotoBroo, and we're at Broward on top, and look at all the bikes. Let's go! Yes sir! We got so many bikes out here today. We got girls out here shredding the sport bikes. And bro, I can tell you, today is gonna be flippin' sick, dude. Today is going to, bro, you can already see up there, look bro. They're already getting gnarly with the burnt skis, dude. Oh boy. So yeah, we probably have like 1,000 riders, bro. Everything. Sport bikes, dirt bikes, two strokes, side by sides. Everything you can imagine, dog. And I need to put my gloves on. Stop man in the building, bro. Hey, no two stroke.
I got it, I'm gonna pull it out later.
Okay, bet.
I just got that by 23. I just got it.
Oh, you just got this? Yeah. Damn. Bro, look at that screen, dude. Boy, got a computer on his
We're gonna ride, we're gonna have some fun.
Bro, I'll see you out there, alright? Bro, look at this three-wheeler. Look at this three-wheeler, bro. Look at that. He got the fishing poles on the back, bro. Let's go. Oh, this is gonna be wild, dog. Look how many bikes there are, and they just keep coming. It is non-stop. Oh, that big Harley. Homie got the 110. That bitch street legal? What the hell? That's crazy. Oh boy. What's going, bro? How you doing?
Big fan.
Yeah, much love, bro. Bro, it's about to be crazy. Look at everyone trying to cut up in front, bro. Yes, sir. Bro, someone dropping oil. Okay, so yeah, it's about to get started, brother. It's about to get started. Bro, look how many people. And this is just like, I'm halfway in the pack. Behind me, I can't even look behind me, but as you can see, there's a lot. There's a lot everywhere. Blocked me off, bro. I was like, we're going off-road, bro. Look at all the people, though. Oh, my Lord. The amount of people is crazy, bro. My homie on the WR, I was talking to him earlier. Let's go. Bro, just look at everyone. Gonna pop in right here. Just pop on in. We got DRC. Bruh. The thing about like a ride like this, there's just so many people, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. You gotta pop it up, bro. Let's go. Nah, you good. You good. You good. You know how to get the thumbnail real quick. Yes, sir. Scraping that bit. Let's go with the no hands. Look at that Harley go, bro. Look at that boy go there. Gee! Yes, sir! look in front of me right now. Holy moly. Holy moly. It's bananas, dog. There's no room for nothing. No room for mistakes, that's for sure. Look behind me. Behind me, there's so many people too. God damn! Yeah, he has the saddlebags on a 110, bro. Hey, I like the saddlebag. Bro, that's hilarious. Little saddlebag on a 110, bro. He going on a freaking BOT trip. Instead of a Euro trip, he on a BOT trip, dog. There's the fly Elijah. Hey. And we got the three-wheeler, bro. It's so sick. Where are your fishing poles? Where are your fishing poles? Damn, look at that sport bike, bro. Custom painted. This made it look good. Shit looks clean. Some big Harley work right here, bro. Let's go. That was sick. Oh, damn! Yes, sir! Yoo-hoo! Oh. Bro, we are in like the middle of nowhere, dude. I have no idea where we are. Yo, we're in the middle flipping nowhere, bro. Oh my gosh. And we just like this freaking travel center, bro. We just took over the travel center. Oh my god. I don't even know if I need gas, bro. I probably do, so I should probably get in line. Bro, there's so many people to get gas. What's going on? I'm gonna wait till it cools down a little bit, bro. Let's go around. Let's see just what's happening at the gas station, bro. We got all the Harley riders here. Bro, the trucker's like, what the hell's going on? They made back here into a stunt lot already, bro. Where's this guy here, dude? This is all diesel. Brick! Everywhere is diesel, but not regular, bro. Hey! How you liking the ride? How you liking the ride? You like the ride?
Fucking crazy, man.
Crazy, right?
Insane.
Too many people.
Too many people, yeah. My ass hurts like hell, dude.
I feel that, bro. You good on gas?
Yeah.
I need some gas. Hey, yo, can I give you some?
He had it on preset.
Ah, damn. You getting gas too? Alright. Hey, can I? That's your homie? Alright, I think I found some gas. Bro, look how many people are lined up still. Bro, we've been here like 10 minutes and people are still lined up just to get gas, bro. It's crazy, dog. Hey. Yo! No, take it! Okay, we got the gas, the wheelie juice coming in. Damn, I needed more than I thought, bro. Thank you, bro. Alright, we got my gas, bro. Much love, bro. There's dollars on the floor. You see, I just threw the money on the floor. Bro. Bro, I don't. Fuck, I'm gonna take it, bro. I'm gonna get me a drink with this shit. Anyone got water for sale? What's good, bro? You got any waters for sale? New waters?
Go ahead. I already did a drink Red Bull. You straight.
You sure? I can have the whole thing, you're saying? Bro.
And you won't take my $5?
Bro, what's your name?
Bruce.
Bruce, Lars.
Sir.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Moto, right?
Yeah, MotoBroo.
Yeah, I got you.
Free picture? Let's go. Holy crap, bro. The amount of bikes out of here are like, I can't even get gas, bro. That's how flippin' busy it is. Like, you know it's busy when you can't even get no flippin' gas going, dude. What's good, bro? How you doing? I appreciate that, man. Hey, the cops are here. Be safe. Oh. Alright, so we just heard freaking Popo, but I don't know if they came in or not. Oh, they're just chilling right there. Bro, Honda 450 gang out here, bro. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. My little 50 homies, bro.